Welcome to a world where artificial intelligence is making waves. But not all waves are equally impressive. Picture this: we live in an era where AI has become a household name, shaping industries, transforming businesses, and revolutionizing the way we live. Yet in the midst of this rapid progress, a prominent voice in the AI sphere, Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has stirred up a storm. He's labeled current AI models like ChatGPT as the dumbest. Shocking, right? This statement raises eyebrows and questions about the effectiveness of our existing AI technology. Are our AI models not as intelligent as we believe them to be? And if so, how does this affect the AI industry and its users? Could it be that our much-touted AI tools are in fact obsolete? These are pressing questions that demand answers, and that's exactly why we're here. We're about to embark on an enlightening journey exploring Altman's comments, dissecting the potential of future AI advancements, and analyzing the implications for existing AI tools like ChatGPT. Does this mean our AI technology is obsolete? Stick around as we delve deeper into this topic. But first, who is this Sam Altman, and why should we care about his opinions? Well, Sam Altman is a name that carries significant weight in the world of artificial intelligence. Not only is he the CEO of OpenAI, one of the leading organizations in AI research and development, but his influence extends far beyond his title. Altman's journey with AI began long before he took the helm at OpenAI. He's a visionary who's consistently shown an uncanny ability to predict and shape the future of technology. His insights and foresight have earned him a place among the most respected figures in the tech industry. At OpenAI, his role is not just administrative. He's deeply involved in the strategic direction of the organization, guiding it towards new frontiers in AI development. His commitment to advancing the field is evident in his hands-on approach and his willingness to invest heavily in the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI is a type of artificial intelligence that has the learning and understanding capacity of a human brain. It's the holy grail of AI, and Altman is willing to invest an astounding $50 billion annually to make it a reality. But Altman's influence isn't limited to OpenAI. His ideas and perspectives shape discussions and debates in the AI community and beyond. When he speaks, people listen. Not because he's the CEO of a prominent AI company, but because he's Sam Altman, a thought leader with a proven track record in the tech industry. His recent comments about the current state of AI models and his vision for the future have stirred up quite a buzz. It's not just about what he's saying, but the implications of his words for the future of AI and technology as a whole. Now that we know who's speaking, let's dissect what he's saying. Altman isn't just throwing around baseless criticism. He has a vision for the future of AI. Sam Altman sees the future of artificial intelligence as a landscape of vast potential, teeming with opportunities for radical advancements. His belief is that future AI models like GPT-5 and GPT-6 will be leaps and bounds more sophisticated than the current ones. Let's delve into his thoughts on the matter. Altman has a rather dismissive view of GPT-4, the current iteration of AI models. He describes it as lacking in intelligence, but this is not a mere jab. Instead, it's a testament to his high expectations for what AI can and should achieve. Altman's vision is one where artificial intelligence doesn't just mimic human thought, but surpasses it in complexity and capability. He projects that GPT-5, the next model on OpenAI's roadmap, will be significantly smarter than its predecessor. This is not just an incremental improvement, but a quantum leap in AI sophistication. But it's not all about the individual models. Altman also emphasizes the importance of AGI, or artificial general intelligence. While our current models excel in specific tasks, AGI is the holy grail of AI research, a system that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Altman believes that AGI is not just important but essential to the future of AI. And he's not just talking the talk. Altman is ready to back his vision with considerable resources. He has openly discussed his willingness to invest as much as $50 billion annually in the development of AGI. This is a clear statement of his commitment to push the boundaries of what AI can do. In summary, Altman's thoughts on AI are far from mere criticism. He sees a future where AI is significantly more sophisticated, where AGI plays a crucial role, and where massive investments drive progress in the field. But what does this mean for our current AI models? According to Altman, GPT-4 is not quite up to snuff, but why? Well, to understand this, we need to step into the shoes of Sam Altman, a man who is deeply invested in the potential of artificial intelligence. Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has been quite vocal about his thoughts on the current state of artificial intelligence, specifically the GPT-4 model. In his view, GPT-4, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is akin to a child in the AI world. It's learning, it's growing, but it's not quite there yet. In fact, he went as far as to label it the dumbest AI. Now, to the uninitiated, this might seem a bit harsh. GPT-4, after all, is a model that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's a feat of engineering, a testament to how far we've come in the realm of artificial intelligence. But Altman is not just any observer. He's a visionary, a pioneer in the field, and he's looking at the bigger picture. In Altman's perspective, GPT-4 falls short in two significant ways. First, it lacks the nuanced understanding of context and subtlety that humans possess. It can mimic human-like responses, sure, but it doesn't truly understand what it's saying or why. Second, GPT-4 is limited in its capacity to learn and adapt over time. It's a static model, unable to accumulate knowledge or experience like a human would. So, when Altman calls GPT-4 the dumbest AI, he's not dismissing its achievements. Rather, he's highlighting the gap between where we are now and where he believes we could be. He's challenging us to strive for more, to push the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. If GPT-4 is the dumbest, what can we expect from the future? Well, according to Altman, a whole lot more, but we'll dive into that in the next scene, so hang tight and get ready to explore the mind-blowing potential of GPT-5 and beyond. Altman's vision doesn't stop at GPT-4. He sees a brighter future with GPT-5. Sam Altman, the forward-thinking CEO of OpenAI, is not one to rest on his laurels. While GPT-4 may have been a marvel of AI innovation, Altman already has his sights set on the horizon, where the dawn of GPT-5 awaits. He envisions this upcoming model as a quantum leap, a significant improvement over its predecessor. Altman's expectations for GPT-5 are not mere conjecture. They are grounded in a conviction that future AI models will be substantially more sophisticated than the ones we're familiar with today. He anticipates GPT-5 to be smarter, more capable, and able to understand and interpret complex tasks with an ease that would make GPT-4 seem elementary in comparison. But what does this mean for us? What kind of advancements might GPT-5 bring? While we can't predict the future with absolute certainty, we can make educated guesses based on Altman's insights and the trajectory of AI development. Perhaps GPT-5 will exhibit superior language understanding, able to grasp nuances and subtleties that elude even the most advanced current models. Maybe it will demonstrate an enhanced ability to learn from its interactions, refining its responses, and improving its performance over time. It could even show a heightened capacity for empathy, understanding not just what we say but how we feel. These are not just exciting possibilities, they are the stepping stones that could lead us towards the realization of artificial general intelligence, the holy grail of AI research. A smarter GPT-5 could be the bridge that takes us closer to that goal, turning science fiction into science fact. But is this future vision limited to just smarter chatbots? Altman believes in a future where AI is not just smart, but generally intelligent. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just about answering queries or making recommendations, but about understanding, learning, and thinking like a human. That's the vision Sam Altman has for artificial general intelligence, or AGI. And it's a vision he's willing to invest heavily in. Altman's vision for AGI is one of broad applicability and versatility. It's about creating AI that can understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. It's about transcending the limitations of narrow AI and stepping into a realm where machines can truly comprehend and engage with the world in a meaningful way. Why is this vision so important? For Altman, the importance of AGI lies in its potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives in society. From healthcare to education, from economy to environment, the applications of AGI are limitless. And with its ability to learn, reason, and adapt, AGI could help us tackle some of the most complex and pressing challenges of our time. But realizing this vision won't be easy or cheap. Altman understands this, and that's why he's expressed willingness to invest a whopping $50 billion annually in AGI development. It's a testament to his belief in the transformative potential of AGI, and a clear signal of his commitment to pushing the frontiers of AI. In Altman's view, the journey towards AGI is a journey towards a smarter, better future. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create a world that's more efficient, more innovative, and more equitable. And while it's a journey that's fraught with challenges and uncertainties, it's one that Altman is eager and excited to embark on. As we look forward, it's clear that the future of AI is anything but dumb. With visionary leaders like Altman at the helm and ambitious projects like AGI on the horizon, the AI landscape promises to be dynamic, disruptive, and downright dazzling. So buckle up, folks, because the AI revolution is just getting started. So, what's next on the AI horizon? Well, folks, if we take Sam Altman's word for it, the future of artificial intelligence is set to be incredibly exciting. OpenAI, the company he heads, has big plans in the pipeline. They're not just working to make incremental improvements, they're aiming for leaps and bounds. Altman has given us a glimpse into the future with the mention of two upcoming models, GPT-5 and GPT-6. He's not just promising that these will be better, they're expected to be significantly more intelligent than their predecessors. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a modern sports car. We're talking about a whole new level of sophistication here. GPT-5, the first in line, is anticipated to be a major step up from GPT-4. Altman emphasizes that this model will be far more intelligent, hinting at capabilities that could redefine our understanding of AI. While the specifics are still under wraps, the anticipation in the AI community is palpable. Then there's GPT-6. This model, still a twinkle in OpenAI's eye, represents the company's commitment to ceaseless advancement. It's a testament to their belief that AI models can and should continue to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But what can we expect from these new models? Well, it's hard to say for certain. But if the evolution from GPT-3 to GPT-4 is anything to go by, we can anticipate improvements in understanding context, generating relevant responses, and perhaps even some level of creative thinking. It's clear that Altman and his team at OpenAI are not just content with creating AI. They're striving for nothing less than artificial general intelligence, a kind of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. This is a vision that doesn't come cheap, with Altman expressing a willingness to invest a whopping $50 billion annually. The future of AI is brimming with possibilities, and we're just getting started. So, buckle up, because it's going to be one heck of a ride. Today, we've explored the dumbness of current AI models and the bright future that awaits. We delved into the world of Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, who isn't shy about expressing his thoughts on artificial intelligence. Altman has called the current AI model, ChatGPT, the dumbest, and he's got his sights set on future models that are significantly more sophisticated. We discovered his belief that GPT-4 is not very intelligent, and his anticipation for GPT-5, which he predicts will be much smarter. Altman's vision doesn't stop there. He sees the importance of AGI, artificial general intelligence, as the future of AI. And he's not just talking the talk, he's ready to walk the walk, expressing his willingness to invest an astounding $50 billion annually to make progress on AGI. But what does this mean for existing AI tools like ChatGPT? Well, in Altman's eyes, they may soon become obsolete as more advanced models like GPT-5 and GPT-6 are developed and released by OpenAI. These future models promise to be more intelligent, more efficient, and more capable than anything we've seen so far. So, as we wrap up our discussion, it's clear that we're standing on the brink of a new era in AI development. Altman's comments serve as a reminder that advancements in AI aren't just possible, they're inevitable. And with OpenAI at the helm, we can expect some truly groundbreaking developments in the years to come. Stay tuned for more updates on AI advancements as we continue to explore this exciting frontier. Until next time, keep imagining the future.